Today unboxing is a massive one. It's a 1:18 Lamborghini Huracan from Kyosho. You can see the comparison is massive as compared with the 1:64 Kyosho, the Toyota 2000 GT. I got this casting about 2 years ago in a lottery game by Kyosho. A very common gaming method in Japan, where you purchase a ticket and you open up to see what prize you get. There will be prize A, prize B, prize C, so on and so forth. And for the very last prize, it's always a good thing. So I was very delighted when I come across the last 5 remaining tickets just to get this casting, which is the last prize. It's a huge and massive box, and now let's get these beasts out from the box. Wow, it's massive and it's very impressive. Big scale is always a plus, and I believe this is not Kyosho top of the line range. It's in die cast and not in resin, and the finishing and details is very decent for a scale like this. What impresses me is that it can roll smoothly. At 1:18, it's a heavy casting as well. Very nice to hold. Really love the paint job, I think it's flawless. With a pearl and high gloss finish. Lots of details on the headlights, which is very realistic. Side mirror also comes with mirror finish as well. The rear is the winner. You can see the Lamborghini logo and the Huracan logo type. Exhaust come in chrome finish, very nice. Super detailing, and I'm very impressed for a free car like this. And also details on the interior. I see this from the driver's side and also on the passenger side. Realistic wheel set with a disc brake, and overall an all-round winner for Lamborghini casting. I'm in the midst of organizing my storage for die cast. Just got some heavy metal racks to withstand my collection, and I stumbled across this 1:18 hidden somewhere. So very happy to share with all you guys. More Kyosho unboxing coming, and remember to subscribe to my second channel, Customs Unboxing. You can see the link down below in the comment section, and thanks everyone.